kindergartners. I hope you're having a good Wednesday so far. For our math class today, we have something kind of fun to look at today with balances, and then we're going to do our fact practice and worksheet after that. So we'll do this first. So I have kind of a fun tool in front of me. Do you know what this is? Yeah, this is called a balance or a scale. And do you know what we use it for? What we could use this tool for? Yeah, we use it to weigh things, to see if something is heavier than something else. And what does it mean to be heavier? Yeah, heavier means there's more to it, it weighs more. So, when something heavier goes into the scale, say that this side is heavier, what's going to happen to it? Yeah, it's going to go down if the one side is heavier. So, what we're going to do today, what I have today for us to look at, is I have some toys from Mrs. Barsh's classroom for us to weigh. It's so I picked out some toys, and we're going to look at which one is the heaviest. I have 4 toys. So, I have all these toys. I have a car, I have this penguin, a dinosaur, and this cute little pink bird. So what we're gonna start with is, let's start with the dinosaur and the car, okay? Which one do you think is going to be heavier? You can make your guess, and then I'm going to put them both in here to see which one goes down, and that'll mean that it's heavier. You can tell that this is balanced right now because down here you can see that the points, the 2 arrows, match up. That means it's balanced right now. So let's see if you were right. I'm going to put the car in this side and the dinosaur in this side, and whichever side goes down, that means that one is heavier. I'm going to guess that the car is heavier. Let's see. Well, the car is heavier because it went down, right? You can see the dinosaur is way up here. The car is heavier and the dinosaur is lighter. Let's try the dinosaur against the penguin, okay? Make a guess for which one you think is going to be heavier, the dinosaur or the penguin. All right, let's see. I'm going to put the dinosaur on this side and the penguin on this side. Let's see which one goes down and which one is heavier. Oh, the dinosaur is heavier. The penguin actually is lighter, even though it's a little bit bigger, right? So let's see. Let's do the penguin versus the bird, the pink bird that I got here. Isn't he cute? Let's try it. Which one do you think will be heavier, the penguin or the bird, the pink bird? Let's try it. Yeah, the penguin is heavier. You can see that because he fell to the ground, right? He's heavier. He has more to him. All right. Oh, boys and girls, I hope you liked looking at which items were heavier with the balance. And hopefully when you come back to school, you'll get to look more at that, at which items are heavier. And so let's transition to our fact sheet. Right, kindergartners, you can grab a pencil and pad for the week and open it up to Wednesday. Under Wednesday, you will find your fact sheet. This is going to be our practice sheet for that we're gonna do right now. Hold on, I'm gonna figure out how to. All right, so guys, we have it. 29 under Wednesday. You are set to go. So first thing you do is put your name. All right, here we go. Today we're going to do the first half in class video. I want you to do this second by yourself and see how many you can get right. either if you don't remember them, you can always have their name tag. I'll practice with the name tag. 0 plus 0 equals, how many is that? Nothing. Nothing. Right? 0 below 0 plus 0. What about 4 plus 4? Let's do the name tag with this one. Let's review how to have a number line in case you forget. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger, grab your name tag, and so we're 4 plus 4. So keep your finger on 4, and then you're going to have 4 more until you get there. So ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you can see that. Now my marker is on 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. Go ahead and make an 8, make an F, and go back home for your 8. 5 plus 5. Let's tap the line one more time to show that you can do that. So put your finger on your 5 or follow along with me and have 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how I moved my marker 5 times? And now my marker is on 10. And so I can write 10 for 5 plus 5. What about 3 plus 3? Do you have 3 plus 3 up here? Yeah, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So go ahead and make a 6 below 3 plus 3. What about 1 plus 1? What's 1 plus 1? Makes 2, right? Go ahead and make 2. Come on down and find the right. What about 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 more. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More, right? So go ahead and make 4 below 4 below 2 plus 2. All right, next we have 5 plus 5. We put on the 4. Do you remember what 5 plus 5 is? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. So go ahead and make a 1 and a 0 below there. Next we have 3 plus 3. What's 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 equals 6. So go ahead and make a 6 with 3 plus 3. We'll do 2 more that are in the on your own. 0 plus 0, what's that? Still 0, right? So go ahead and make that 0. What about in our last one? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yeah. So boys and girls, go ahead and after we're done the video, I want you to do these last 2 rows on your own and see, try working on those facts off your head so you don't have to count it out every time eventually. Just feel free to count it out and remember what those are. So I'm gonna readjust the screen so I can do your worksheet with you. All right, kindergartners, let's get your worksheet done. After your fact practice in your packet should be this worksheet, 29A, or the one with the big 27 at the top. So go ahead and grab that, flip to that page, put your name at the top. All right, let's trace the 2 of our 27s. Go ahead and trace those and we'll talk about it. What 2 numbers make up a 27? Yeah, a 2 and a 7, right? What number is going to get the top tip for our 127 that we make on our own? Yeah, the 2 is going to get the chocolate chip. So grab that chocolate chip, go all the way up that line, down to the bottom line, and slide right. Your first 2. And then go ahead and make your 67, your 7, your 7 by sliding right on that top line and sliding down. Okay. Once you have your 27 written, you can divide that 27 down the middle, right? To show, we're going to talk about tens and ones. So take a line, split that 27 in half. And which side has the tens side? Is it the 2 that has the tens side, or is it the 7 that's going to be the tens side? Yeah, it's the 2 that has the tens side, right? So go ahead and make a T above the number 2. Okay, and which leaves the 7 side for the 1 side. So go ahead and make a O for 1 above the 7. Because O is the first letter in the word 1. So let's move on to our picture problem. It says 4 boys were playing soccer. 4 more boys joined them to play soccer. So draw the picture and then write the sentence to show how many boys were playing soccer. So let's draw the first part first. It says 4 boys were playing soccer. So we are going to draw those 4 boys. So go ahead and draw 4 people starting from the left. Once you have your 4 boys drawn, what do we have to do next to show that we're getting 4 more? What do we do in our picture to show that we have 4 more? Yeah, we draw a line. Instead of making a plus sign like we did in our sentence, we're going to divide those 2. And the second part says 4 more boys joined them to play soccer. So you can draw 4 more on the other side of your line to show that 4 more came. Go ahead. All right, once you have your next 4 boys drawn, we can start the number sentence. So the first part of a number sentence is always whatever we started with. And how many boys did we start with? Yeah, we started with 4, so go ahead and make a 4. 4, and then what do we need next to show that we got some more? Yeah, we need a plus sign to show that we got some more. So go ahead and make a plus sign next to your 4. 4 plus, how many more did we add? Yeah, we did 4 more in that second part, right? And what do we need to do now to show all together? What sign do we need? Yeah, we need the equal sign, 2 lines to show equals. And hey, this is a double stacked, one of the ones that we've been practicing, 4 plus 4. Do you remember what 4 plus 4 is without counting the boys? Yeah, 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. We got to practice that a lot more practice. That's awesome. So go ahead and make an 8, make an S and go back home for your 4 plus 4 equals 8. So it says how many boys are playing now? 8 boys are playing now. So go ahead and make another 8 on that line. All right, we're ready to move on to our apple problems. You'll notice that there is 2 this time that have no seeds, so we'll get to those. First, we have to figure out a number sentence for this apple. How many seeds do we have on our left side? Yeah, none, right? We have 0 seeds on our left side. So 0 on that first pink. 0 seeds. And on our next side, how many do we have? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seeds on the other side. Wow. Go ahead and make an 8 on the second line. And to finish our number sentence off, 8, 0 plus 8 equals. What is 0 plus 8? Still 8, right? If we have 8 and we don't add any more, we still have 8. So go ahead and make an 8 after equal sign. All right. For these next ones, we have to show 2 different ways to make 8. So there's different ways that we could do this, but go ahead and just follow the ways that I make 8 to show different ways to make 8. For our left side on this one, let's go ahead and make 3 seeds. Go ahead and make 3 seeds on your left side. 1, 2, 3 seeds. There's lots of different ways you can make 8, but we'll just do this one for now. So go ahead and make a 3 on your first part of your number sentence. Now, you can tell that they want us to get 8 seeds because they put that in the equal spot for us after the equal sign. So what we're going to do is what we did yesterday. We're going to count along the ones that we just drew and then draw some more until we get to 8. Okay, so let's count and then draw until we get to 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how we did that? So we drew some more until we got to 8 seeds. So let's find out how many we added on this other side to get to 8. So let's count just the one on the right side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll make a 5 down on your next spot to show how many you added. 3 plus 5 equals 8. That's another way you can make 8. So let's do another one, another different way to make 8. This time, let's have 2 on our first side, okay? So go ahead and make 2 seeds on your left side, okay? And then make a 2 down below to show what you started with. We are going to do the same thing that we did over here. We're going to count these first 2 and then draw on the other side until we get to 8, because you can tell we want us to get 8 because they voted in for us. So let's do that. Let's count and then draw as we go until we get to 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how we did that? We started with 2 and then we added some more on the other side until we got to 8. So go ahead and we're going to count together how many we just added on this right side, and we're going to put that we added. So go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We added 6. So go ahead and make a 6 on your second line. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Let's double check this last apple just to make sure that we really did have 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do have 8. Okay. So that's another way that we can make 8 out of apple seeds. Let's move on to our very last problem. Please grab your green crayon. And once you have your green crayon out, what we're going to do is color 4 squares starting from the left side, okay? So once you have that out, go ahead and start coloring 4 greens from the left. Once you have your 4 greens colored, the question asks, how many are left after we colored those green in? So go back to your pencil and let's count how many are left after that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left. So go ahead and make a 4 in this line that asks you how many are left. Down to the right, left for 4. Let's go to our last one. This second line says color just one. So go ahead and grab your green crayon again and color just one square, starting from the left. Once you have your one square colored green, grab your pencil again. Let's count together how many are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 left. So go ahead and make a 7 on this line to show that there are 7 left. All right, kindergartners, good work today. We got a lot done. You can have your grown-up upload a picture of 29A and the fact practice after you have finished it. You're still going to have to go back and finish these 2 rows for me, okay? Go ahead and practice your doubles by finishing those 2 rows and then have your grown-up upload a picture of you the fact practice and 29A to the blue math folder, okay? You have a great rest of your day.